Yes, please.
Please keep the mic.
I saw this YouTube, on this YouTube, that the Quran was burned in Norway.
Quran was burned in Norway.
Norway, yeah. And this person, he tried to stop that and he was arrested. So how should us behave if we see something like this happening around us? Because I have got children too who are, I have got children who are in the age of 20s like that. And how should they react when they see something like this happening?
Yeah. You see, personally, I am a different person, and I've developed this psyche, how to be different and how to. I will explain to you. When a person abuses my father or mother or brother and sister, or say bad words to our family member, so you lose your temper, you react. I've developed myself that I don't react. Why? Because I want to be near to God than rather tit for tat. So if somebody says bad things or even burn the Quran, so what? God is enough to take care of his book, or he's enough to give the punishment to the guy. So I don't bother what people are doing in the name of God, doing bashing things, bullying. So many people have bullied me, really. So what I'm telling you, still I said good words. Why? Because you are contented, you are for Allah. Your focus should be, I should not do anything in the nearness of God that I'm wrong. The ayahs that I know that I follow. But what people are doing in the name of God, and doing whatever they are doing, bad or even, you don't have to feel also. Because you don't know the power of Allah, who has created the whole universe. He can punish very badly to people. When the earthquakes comes and the windstorm comes and the so many, you see all that. That you can see the power of God. So when he does it, he does to whom? These guys who try to, in the nearness of God, they have reached the limit for destruction. The limit is there in any country, any part of the world. The limit is there. So if you cross that limit, it will the punishment will come on to those people wherever they are living.
What do you think of as being weak because they did not stood up? I agree with you.
No, you don't have to stand for this. I don't believe at all.
Because I'm in 100% agreement with what you just said.
Thank you.
Yeah. So they should just be a good citizen and be a good person.
No, I didn't say good citizen. I said they cannot. Look, the feeling will not go until you are close to God. You see, I said you be close to God. How did I develop? I cannot develop these people say bad things and I don't retaliate until you know the ayahs of God how to behave. Idfa billati ahsan. You defend yourself against bad people with good. So now if somebody does bad, you do good. So once you do good, then only you cannot do good until you have strong, staunch believer eyes on ayahs. Otherwise your satanic domination will come and you will also do bad, tit for tat. So tit for tat, Allah did not taught us. Allah taught us that you have to be good. You see the narration of the two sons of Adam. One son was near to God, the one who was near to God, the other who showed that he is near to God was not successful, so he said, I will kill you, the good one. So I want to be killed. That's my aim in life. Believe me, one shot, I was not dead, but still I am doing, somebody shoot me. So the people is asking, what about your life? I say, I don't care. I am leading the life for God Almighty, not for people. So similarly, I am asking everybody who, you see these bad things, you should be close to God. You must know the eyes of God, that you must not that he will take the vengeance and he can take, and he's been taking it. You see around you how the people are fighting each other is a punishment from God. And you see the hurricane, all these punishment you can see. So whatever the people are doing in the name of God, we can only be peaceful and we will not react until we know the ayahs and we believe in the ayahs and we correct by the ayahs. If you're not, then you will be, same person, tit for tat. We have to avoid this tit for tat business.
So much.
Okay.